Accdyne Corporation introduces the Easy Puller, Big Easy, with a range from 1 5/8" to 3 inches. Now you can change bar sizes in seconds just by changing the X value in the program. The Big Easy never needs adjusting. No more gripping fingers to adjust, lose, or break. The tool is always on center. It always provides the perfect tension, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty.
We just made 5 different poles, 5 different bar sizes without having to adjust that tool. We went from 1 5/8" to 2.5 inches without manually adjusting the tool. Everything was changed in the program just by changing our X value. Let's go see how it works.
These are friction-loaded hardened steel grippers that have a low maceration. Notice that these grippers have a unique polygon design that makes a 4-point contact on the workpiece. This is the part of the tool that actually holds the bar that is being pulled. As you can see, these grippers provide a very strong force for holding the material. That force is generated with a urethane spring that is backed up by hardened steel lifters. The lifter is actuated by the cam action of these hardened steel arms. I have removed the cover of the tool to show the urethane springs and the lifters. As you can see, these springs are very tough. They are a 95A durometer, and they are much stronger than die springs of the same size. They don't gall, they don't shatter, and they don't wear out. All components fit neatly inside the body and are protected from chips and debris. All moving parts, including the body, are hardened tool steel. Once the initial setup is done, the Big Easy can be changed from one bar size to another bar size in seconds, just by changing the X end value in the pull subroutine of the program. The Big Easy will pull a 100-pound bar at 300 inches per minute with great repeatability. The tool comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year limited warranty on all components.